Can creditors still collect after bankruptcy discharge? If you are a small business owner facing bankruptcy, you may wonder what happens to your debts after a bankruptcy discharge. This is an important topic, so let's break it down clearly. When a bankruptcy discharge is granted, it serves as a legal shield for the debtor. This means that creditors generally cannot continue their collection efforts on debts that have been discharged. The discharge acts like a permanent order from the bankruptcy court, stopping creditors from taking any action to collect those debts. This includes filing lawsuits or making collection calls. However, not all debts are treated the same way. Some debts are considered non-dischargeable. This means that even after bankruptcy, creditors can still pursue collection. Common examples of non-dischargeable debts include certain taxes, child support, and alimony. Additionally, debts arising from fraud are also not eliminated by bankruptcy discharge. If you have these types of debts, creditors can continue their collection efforts. Another important point is about secured debts. These are debts backed by collateral, like a car or a home. Even after a discharge, creditors may still have the right to repossess or foreclose on that collateral unless you sign a reaffirmation agreement. A reaffirmation agreement is a voluntary contract where you agree to remain responsible for the debt, allowing the creditor to continue collection. There are also situations where creditors may have setoff rights. This means they can offset discharged debts against claims they have against you, depending on the circumstances and applicable laws. Creditors can also challenge the discharge of certain debts during the bankruptcy process. If they succeed, those debts will remain collectible after the discharge. For small business bankruptcy, the discharge order protects the business owner from further collection on discharged debts. This allows the business to reorganize or close without ongoing harassment from creditors. If creditors ignore the discharge order, you or your attorney can seek help from the court to enforce the injunction. In summary, while a bankruptcy discharge generally stops creditors from collecting discharged debts, there are exceptions. Creditors can still collect on non-dischargeable debts, secured debts if collateral is involved, or debts reaffirmed by the debtor. If creditors violate the discharge protections, they may face legal consequences. Understanding these details can help you navigate the bankruptcy process more effectively.